Introducing a new intelligent way to heat and cool your home. Whether it's a quiet, sunny day or intelligent heating during the cold winter season, save up to 60% versus traditional electric heating. We're willing to bet that you already know that an air conditioner blows cold air into your room and pushes the hot air outside, just like that. Turn it on, it just works. Cold air blows in, hot air blows out. Instant comfort on a hot day. But what if we told you there's a new kind of system that can not only cool your room like always in the summer, but with the flip of a switch could do the exact opposite in the winter and blow the warm air back into your room while pushing cold air out? You might call that magic. But guess what? We figured out how to do it, and we think it's pretty smart. We built a system that can reverse itself in the winter for heating as efficiently as it cools in the summer, using a lot less electricity than traditional heat strips normally seen in electric furnaces and heaters. There's some pretty fancy science to explain how this works, but the best part of this system is that we figured out the science so you don't have to. You run your system all year round as needed. You'll be kept cool or warm by simply setting a temperature, all while saving money over traditional electric furnaces. That's it. That's smart. That's ACiQ.